All right, so we're here at basically what we'll call the speed shop here at LTH, and I told you before we're doing an install and smoke show. Well, it's going to be a brand new exhaust system that LTH just came out with, and Steve's going to tell us about it.
This is our true dual exhaust system for the 1819 Mustang, which actually also fits the 15 and the 17 if you have the Roush rear balance. Pretty much we call it true dual because it is like that. It's a true dual exhaust system. Twin chamber system in there, out that. So you actually have the full real dual exit exhaust system. That's one thing we take pride in, that we actually have a real system for your car. Obviously with our other pieces, your resident to lead X pipe and your mid pipe exhaust. So we're going to complete the whole CapEx system for a smoke show right now. Our signature series to all of our exhaust systems is the Titan finish of all these things. This is not a coating, this is a finish. What it is, it goes into our Titan machine. Pretty much comes out like this. What it's going to do is clean up the welds, smooths out the pipe, it makes it last longer. Everything we design is to last as long as the vehicle will be in quality, not temporary. So that's why all of our systems will come with this standard.
All right, so the system looks great with the black tip. Now let's hear how it sounds. Nice deep low tone. Rev it up. Sounds really good in here. Let's take it outside. Alright, so we did the installation of our true dual exhaust system from LTH Exhaust. Now we're driving on the highway. I've actually put a few miles on the car, raced it in Charlotte and driving home. So people are asking how the system sounds. Well, at idle, I think I have a new favorite. I mean, this thing, people actually asked in Streetcar Takeover what kind of cams it had because the style of the muffler makes it lope at idle. I mean, it sounds really good. Low RPMs up to about like 2,800. Nice deep tone to it. I mean, really sounds good. Once you hit about 3,000 and up, not quite as loud as I thought it would be. The tone does change, the depth sort of goes away, gets a little slightly raspier as you get up in the RPM band. Yeah, decent sound for sure, but I gotta say, low down, it's definitely one of my favorites. Higher RPMs, I'd like a little more sound out of it, a little more volume. And like I said, it's a deep tone. So as you guys know, most of the time, deep tone means a little bit of drone on the highway. And it does have a little bit of drone. It's not painful, terrible. I put 600 highway miles on it now between my ride around the different vendors yesterday and then my highway home today. And it's livable on the highway. Around 2,000 RPM, it will get a little droney. But if you can stay a little bit above that, like 22, 2300, it's absolutely perfectly livable in that range, and it works really, really well. I love the design of the tips. Maybe a little bigger because the valance on this car would look a little bit better. But overall, the fit and finish was good, and you know, for the price point, definitely a solid system, something worth checking out.